With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, today's question is select number of species in which bond angle at nitrogen is greater than 120. These are total 7 species 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. To find the number of species having bond angle greater than 120 around nitrogen, let us first draw the structure of all these. In the first structure, nitrogen is surrounded by hydrogen on one side and on another side it has doubly bonded carbon and double bond sulfur. This nitrogen has one lone pair and bond angle in this species is greater than 120 degree because of repulsion between these two groups. So first species is having bond angle greater than 120. In second species we have CH3 and double bond C double bond O. There is also repulsion between these two groups CH3 and double bond C double bond O. So this bond angle is also greater than 120 degrees. So second species is also correct for the question. In third species, the size of group present on one side of nitrogen is increasing. So here bond angle is also greater than 120. This is greater than 120. So third species is also with bond angle around nitrogen greater than 120. The fourth species NO2. This is odd electron molecule in which one oxygen is doubly bonded and other oxygen is forming coordinate bond with nitrogen and there is one odd electron around nitrogen. In this species bond angle is greater than 120. So this is also correct choice for the question. Now the structure of NO3. The NO3 structure can be drawn as one oxygen is doubly bonded, one is coordinately bonded and one oxygen is having negative charge with 3 pair. This molecule is trigonal planar having sp2 hybridization and bond angle is equal to 120 degree. So this molecule is not correct choice for this question. The next molecule is having ammonia. Ammonia has one lone pair and 3 bond pair around it. Hybridization sp3 and bond angle is 107.8 degree. This bond angle is less than 120 degrees. So this is also not correct choice for this question. And in last species we have nitrogen, triple bond nitrogen, then coordinately bonded oxygen in the molecule. In this molecule this nitrogen is sp hybridized, so bond angle is 180 degree. So this bond angle is also greater than 120 degree. So in the question we have total 5 species having bond angle greater than 120 degree. Correct answer is 5. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.